Chrysler May 9th, vote for a president. The one and only. There's no other president. We believe in Duterte, that's why we vote for him. We believe in him.
Sir Boy Veloso, once again, happy birthday. Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She'd take the midnight train going anywhere, just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. It took the midnight train going anywhere. Cigarette smoking room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. If I was mine, make me share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard and shadows searching in the night. Street light people living just to fall in motion, hiding somewhere in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling, sweetheart, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling, sweetheart, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling, sweetheart, people. Don't stop.
Thank you so much. Have a good
Thank
night.
you guys and good night everybody.